Welcome to the Data Visualization Simulation. In this simulation, you will interact with a data visualization of Napoleon's invasion of Russia in 1812 using a flow map drawn by Charles Menard. His map, made in 1869, was one of the earliest applications of data visualization. Menard's map contains so much information within a simple 2D drawing. 6 different factors can be viewed on this single map. Each factor tells a part of the story as to what happened to Napoleon's army during this war effort. By viewing the different factors found in Menard's map, you will be able to determine the reasons for the success and failure of Napoleon's march to Moscow. To begin the simulation, click the Sim tab. You will see Menard's map and the clickable tabs at the bottom of the screen. Clicking on each of these tabs will allow you to view different data sets at various points on the map. Just move your mouse over different points on the map along Napoleon's route to find specific information for the data set you selected. Begin by clicking on the Troops button, then move your cursor over Napoleon's route. You will see the number of soldiers in Napoleon's army at different points of the campaign. You can see the change in the size of the army and see what the invasion cost in lives of the French soldiers. By clicking on the Data button, then moving your cursor over the route, you will be able to determine when the troops were there, where they were, and how long each phase of the invasion took. You will be able to see if they were able to move quickly or slowly through the area. Clicking the Location button, then moving your cursor over the route will show the names of the locations where the army traveled from and where they traveled to along the map. Notice that the names of the locations are given both in English and in the native language. Clicking the Weather button will show the temperature and the weather conditions experienced by Napoleon's army. For example, you can see that at the beginning of their journey, on June 28th, they experienced hot and humid weather, but on June 29th, they experienced a freezing rainstorm. Moving your cursor along the map, you will see that they encountered wild variations in weather, from extremely hot, dry conditions to below freezing temperatures and snow, and then hot and smoky conditions due to fires. Clicking the Geography button, then moving your cursor over the route, will show the bodies of water that Napoleon's army encountered. With so many bodies of water to contend with, consider how this would affect Napoleon's troops. Clicking the Battles button, then moving your cursor over the route, will show the battles that were fought and the outcome. When you integrate this with the data and troops information, you will be able to determine how fierce each battle was, as well as the toll upon Napoleon's army. As you can see, there is quite a bit of information contained in this two-dimensional drawing. This drawing invites the user to become involved with it, to explore the data, and to see how all of the many different factors influenced Napoleon's campaign.